Once again, back right again. I just filmed the laser pistol video, so yeah. If you clicked on here, you want to know how to make the shish kebab, which is like a flaming. It's like a sword with several flame jets up it, and it does fire damage. This is more the Fallout 4 look. It doesn't. I've thought about making like the tank and having that if I wanted to just have it connect in. If I do go and make the tank, I'll be sure to make a video on it, and so yeah. But it's very simple. Here's what you want to do. You want to go and buy like a car charger port thing that you can see right here. You know, one of like the old ones that like it's like I think it goes in the same place as the cigarette. Well, I've never seen it. Cars don't even have those anymore, I don't think. Go get a bunch of different chargers and just wires and stuff. I went to like Salvation Army or something of the sort, and everything like that. Go buy from like somewhere like a Halloween store or Dollar Tree or just some toy store, something like that. These very cheap plastic swords. And then glue it in this such, like so. I've glued the car charger onto the top, and then cut several of the wires, and then had them go to a certain point, and have them all extend and go right here and right here. These work as the flame jets, and then I have this metal piece right here. I'm not exactly sure what it came from, but and there you go. And then you want to paint the sword silver, and then paint these red, or do the red first and then the silver, whichever. It does feel pretty nice to hold. It's quite nice, I'd say. Makes a nice display piece on my wall, with all my other weapons that I've made. But anyways, this one was a bit shorter, a lot simpler. Thank you for watching. See you later.